Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can generate a detailed SEO-friendly blog using Claude's free plan without paying for Claude Pro. Take a look at this blog. I generated it using Claude and it's also optimized for ChatGPT, Gemini and modern AI search engines. It includes everything you need like proper keyword placement, SEO title, meta description, headings, FAQs and a well-structured blog format. It's almost ready to publish. The best part is that I generated it using a master prompt that I've already created. Now let me show you how you can do the same. First, go to the link in the description and copy the master prompt. Next, you'll need to customize it by adding a few basic details. For example, what topic do you want to write about? Who is your target audience? And if you want the blog to include any specific information or context, simply add that as well. Once you've filled in those details, copy the entire prompt. Then open Claude and paste it into the chat. I'm doing this using Claude's free version, so you can follow along without any paid subscription. Now watch what happens. Claude will start generating your blog. It may take a minute or two, but once it's done, you'll have a high-quality, detailed, SEO-friendly blog that's ready to edit and publish. You can use these blogs on your own website. I've also linked my website in the description. Most of the blogs on that site were created using this same master prompt. Many of those articles are already indexed on Google and are bringing in organic traffic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.